Yeah.
You're going to need 4 packs of the Ghana here, and this is 50 inches. It's in the color L350. You're going to need 4 packs of these. You're going to need a comb, a scissors, and a shine and jam, and also a mirror to see the back when you're parting your hair. I'm going to start off by sectioning off the back of my hair, and I am going to use the shine and jam to rub it on that section and to clean up the pad so it can be extremely neat. As you see what I'm doing here. And you're going to use your mirror to see if it is neat or if you need to go back over that part and define it. So I'm now going to section the back part of my hair into 3 different sections, and I'm going to twist them until I am ready to braid my hair. We're now going to separate some small sections of the Ghana hair. This is what we're going to use to braid the hair. So I'm going to apply some of the shine and jam onto my hair, not onto my scalp, because I want it to be free from buildup and products. And I'm going to separate that part into 3 different sections. I'm going to use my index finger to bring the hair from the left to the right and from the right to the left. And now that I have it comfortable, I am going to place the false Ghana hair in between my index and middle finger, and I'm going to continue to braid. So I'm going to continue by doing this and place the false hair in between my index and middle finger. Plait, left, right, and index, place it in between my index and middle finger, then left, then to the right, and I'm going to continue doing so until I get the volume of how thick I want my hair to be. So we're basically feeding in the hair into the plaits. So this is what we're going to do until we get our desired length and width. As you can see, the knotless braid is very neat. It is very, very neat, and that's the method I use to achieve them. So I'm going to let you guys continue watching of how I achieve it, and I'm going to let you guys see how I section the hairs to get the rest of the hair complete. However, I will be showing you how to curl the ends of these knotless braids, so continue watching. So what you're going to do is you're going to wrap the ends with elastic, the part of the braid that you want to leave out with an elastic. Then the remaining ends, you're going to wrap them around a rod. You're going to wrap them extremely tight. Alright, and this will let your ends become very curly, as you're going to see in the next clip. So you're going to use your scissors to trim away the excess flyaway hair, or you can ask someone to do it for you. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and also to share this video to someone who wants to do their own hair. Thank you for watching.